These reloads are amazing. Which kind of state will be preserved between the reloads?
All the data in your component is going to be maintained because in this context, like you're changing a template. So it's like your type code didn't even change. I mentioned earlier, just to show off because I think it's really cool. We have the template and style HMR. So if I rebuild this, let's actually just drag this over here so we can get them side by side. Where we've got some template here, and then I can rearrange this, stick it up there, and you can see how fast this is able to pop over here. We've got bundle generation is less than 0.2 seconds. That's actually kind of on the slower side. I feel like I've seen it a lot better than so you can do these little changes. You can see how fast these are popping up over on this side for these really minor change where it's like basically as fast as I could, like having them side by side, you can kind of see it. But like if you have one on two different monitors, I feel like the time it takes to move your head from one monitor to another is the time it takes to rebuild it. So I'm really excited about this. I think this is going to be super helpful for a lot of developers' productivities, and I think it's just really fun to demo. I don't know, it's very cool and satisfying, and it's actually there's an Angular 3 demo that I thought was super cool if I could try and find it, but I'm really excited about the HMR stuff here.
It's nice. Lars has a hand up.
Yeah, Lars, go ahead.
Hello. These reloads are amazing. Which kind of state will be preserved between the reloads?
So Charles would know the specifics better than I do, unless Alon, you have a more specific answer.
So when you change the template, then the component style sheet, the entire state is retained. Basically, just the template or the style sheet are replaced.
So all the state on the component itself is going to be retained.
So I'm thinking about signals inside the component, for example. So they will be retained?
Yes. Yeah, all the signals in the component will be retained. I think the one edge case is that like pipes get restarted, I think is one edge case. But like stuff in all the data in your component is going to be maintained because in this context, like you're changing a template. So it's like your type code didn't even change, your component class didn't change. So all of that is retained and all that stuff.